United Architects of the Philippines and Professional Practice in 15 seconds. Standard as part of the implementing rules and regulations of Republic Act 9266, replacing the 1979 UAP Document 203, specialized allied specialized architectural services, deals with the specific expertise for further enhancement of the architectural interior and exterior components of a project. The architect's responsibility to man and society is to make sure that both the building and its physical environment enhance the lives of people by strictly adhering to national building and national and international standards with regards to public health, safety, and welfare. Okay?